Hey everyone, this is Hale at TradeBot Secrets. I'm going to be doing day two of our DCA bot. Nothing's been going on lately. It's not volatility is actually what we need to start making money. So I don't think anyone's making anything when markets is stagnant and going sideways. So let's take a look anyway. All right, let me go ahead and switch right over. All right, there it is. Yeah, so last couple of days has just been sideways between. I'd say high of 85, 86 down to 84. So only like a $3,000 to $4,000 movement. Very little, I guess, percent change, half a percent change in the last 24 hours. And we have ours spaced out between 1 to 4% down. I've already created this DCA has graduated positions between you know 0.005 and doubles that on the next rung, and then triples that, and then quadruples that. And so we have graduated positions. As it comes down, we'll buy more and more. That way we can shift the profit line down as we DCA in. And then we take profits linearly based on this current position. So currently we have about $1,000 value built up so far, and we're only gonna sell 800, rounding up, just round the numbers up. 200 here, 200 here, 200 here, and 200 is $800. If it completely fills this position, we'll be able to exit that and leave 20% behind in case it pumps up. We'll ride that out so that we don't FOMO back in and enjoy the ride. And as it does that, we will then continue DCA down and up as it has volatility, and continue to exit it that way. I think it has closed some, like one or two orders. So let's go ahead and take a look at the closed P&L here. And we did make today is the 17th, I believe. No, today is 18th. So yesterday it made $3.76. So this is my high yield checking account, making picking up dollars here and there in the couch, I guess, over time. But even though they're little right now because we just started like 2 days ago, over time as it starts to build up more positions, if we drop down, that's great. We can fill more positions. If not, we'll take less and less, but we'll just DCA small amounts on the way up. Okay. Now I did wish that I was in around here when I came in, but I was trying to exit my apex position with that. So all the while, let's go ahead and talk about tomorrow. So yeah, just in a sense, they say Bitcoin's volatile, and volatility is what we need in order to make money here with the dollar cost average. If it wasn't volatile and it stayed steady and boring like that, where everyone would like, yeah, let's go into Bitcoin because it's steady. Well, you know, that's not where we make money, right? We make money from the volatility of these positions, and those who play it right with long-term low leverage will win at the end of the day, as opposed to the ones who are making money, but then you're constantly maintaining and trying to not get caught in one of these big dips, right? So there's a lot of analysis here, a lot of stress, a lot of late nights, while we just kind of earn it a little more passively without the risk and be able to keep everything you make and just wait for it to pump back up. Long term wise, it's always going to go up. So we are set up to win on a long position, no matter if we got caught up here or whatever. It doesn't matter as long as we diamond hand it and we continue to DCA down. We'll be able to eventually hit below the profit line, eventually get into the sideways action, be able to start taking profits. All right, thanks. We'll talk to you tomorrow.